Hey, there's John. Welcome to another video. So over on my Facebook page, I just asked the question, if the software and all the resources are so good online these days for online business owners, why is it so many people struggle? Or why is it so many people still struggle given the fact that we've got AI and all kinds of things? And one of the answers for that is quite significant. It's quite a profound one, and I think one that a lot of people are going to get a lot of benefit from. One of the things I want to address on this video is the number one. I did the one thing on my Facebook page, and essentially what I'm saying there is everybody fascinates about multiple streams of income when they get involved in developing an online business. But one means get one thing profitable, okay? Because it doesn't matter if you're promoting 2 products or 152 products. If none of them are profitable, they're just expensive assets that you've got to pay for every single month. And unfortunately, this is what a lot of people end up doing. They get involved in affiliate marketing or network marketing, and they promote every other product that everybody else is promoting, thinking they're promoting multiple streams of income, but how many are you actually profitable with? And what I'm saying in this video is, yes, it is important to have multiple streams of income. It is important to have a value stack in what you're promoting as a network marketer, as a whatever you're doing online. It's so important to have those things in place. But get profitable with something before you focus your attention on something else, okay? And it's so human-like for us to move on to something else because we are built for survival, and that's something I talk about in one of the courses that I've just done. So here's the thing: when you get profitable with something, and when I mean profitable, you can say $1. You make your first $1 online. You've gone through the process of getting signed up, of doing some marketing, of getting a lead, and then eventually getting somebody to buy something from you. You've gone full circle, okay? And all you need to do is understand what you did in that process of making that full circle, and then you can redo it again and again. You can duplicate the process, and as you build your skills, as you get better at doing video, as you get better at doing email, as you get better at being able to connect with your audience, you're going to get profitable more and more. And that's when you want to be diversifying into other things, okay, that complement your business, and go from there, because you'll know what to do. You'll have a proven process and a proven system of how to become profitable, okay? But just stacking up different affiliate programs on top of each other, hoping that something is going to happen along the way, is never going to work, okay? It benefits the people that who you buy from, okay, because they get commissions, of course, okay, but ultimately you need to be profitable. So just take that away. And going back to what I said about some things are significant and profound, okay? If you have a look at this is my YouTube channel, okay? Obviously you're watching this, or you may be watching this somewhere else, but certainly on YouTube, have a look at my YouTube channel. It's John McLaughlin TV, okay? Go to the channel, scroll down to where it says Affiliate Marketing Masterclass course, okay? And what I'm talking about is covered in Module 3. This is an affiliate marketing course from A to Z, from start to finish, and it's going to blow your socks off. It really is. I've just released it the last couple of days. It's completely free. There's a free workbook and also the resources that go with it. And the reason that I'm making this course free, or have made this course free, is because I'm proving that the affiliate marketing process that I do works, because I'm giving it away for free. I'm not charging money for it, okay? And of course there are courses that I do that I charge for, but this particular one, I'm saying I make my money from affiliate marketing, so therefore this course is complimentary, okay? So that makes a big difference. But yeah, talking about why some people don't get profitable and why they jump from one thing to the next and never really get any traction, okay, we'll cover that in Module 3. It's going to blow your mind. We have resources, we have help available for that, so have a look at it. But what I would say is that if you're an affiliate marketer and you're struggling right now, okay, if you're struggling to get profitable, if you're struggling to know the process, if you're struggling to know what to do when you've got the time to do it, okay, then this course is perfect for you. Okay, so have a look. So go to johnmclaughlin.tv, okay, that's my YouTube channel. Scroll down to where it says Affiliate Marketing Masterclass course. There's a whole playlist there. Okay, it's a full modulated course. Okay, everything you need to be successful. Jump on there. Drop me a comment if you need anything answering, if you've got any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk soon. Bye for now.